Stop wasting your hard-earned money on cheap junk that breaks after 2 uses. We analyzed brutal testing data from America's Test Kitchen and Wirecutter to bring you 20 home and kitchen upgrades that actually deliver. This video is 100% independent and sponsor-free, with every deal linked below. Stick around until the end, because product number 2 will eliminate your prep time, while our number 1 pick peels entire potatoes completely hands-free in seconds. Create healthy, refreshing treats for your kids right at home. With these premium BPA-Free silicone ice pop molds, you can easily make natural popsicles using fresh fruits and juices. Highly flexible for an easy release, a breeze to clean, and perfect for hot summer days. Give your family the gift of healthy refreshment and endless fun. Peeling sticky garlic skins leaves your fingers smelling pungent for days and wastes precious prep time. This clever textured silicone tube strips away paper-thin skins in seconds with just a gentle roll on your counter. Your hands stay completely odor-free while you prep fresh garlic effortlessly for any delicious recipe. Stale household odors or harsh sprays make your living space feel uninviting and cause chemical headaches. This ultrasonic wellness device offers a natural, highly effective way to freshen your home. Operating almost silently, it disperses a fine, cool mist of water and essential oils throughout your favorite rooms. Now, bugs invading your home every time the back door opens make summer evenings miserable. This heavy-duty mesh curtain snaps shut automatically behind you using powerful built-in magnets. You get fresh airflow throughout your house while keeping pesky insects out, allowing kids and pets to walk through completely hands-free anytime. Open any kitchen drawer right now, I guarantee it's a mess. These adjustable drawer dividers expand to fit any drawer size and lock everything into its own section. Utensils, gadgets, lids, batteries, everything has a place, and nothing shifts around when you open and close it. The before and after on these is genuinely shocking. This is the organizing product people keep coming back to buy for every single room in the house. Standing over a hot stove constantly stirring sauces prevents you from multitasking dinner. This self-rotating gadget glides smoothly around the bottom of your pot, keeping soups and gravies moving continuously. You prevent scorched food and burnt bottoms while freeing up your hands to focus on the rest of your meal. Lumpy, messy, dripping pancake batter creates filthy kitchen stovetops and mismatched breakfast sizes. This smooth squeeze handle dispenser delivers exact liquid portions directly onto your hot griddle without a single drop spilling over. You get perfectly round pancakes, waffles, and delicious cupcakes every single morning, with virtually zero messy cleanup required. Add your ingredients, press a button, and wake up to fresh, homemade bread. That's genuinely what this Cuisinart bread maker does. No kneading, no mess, no skill required. It has 12 preset programs for everything from white bread to gluten-free to sweet loaves, and the automatic fruit and nut dispenser adds mix-ins at exactly the right time. Bakery-quality bread at home for pennies per loaf. This machine pays for itself fast. Stop using those annoying chip clips that never work. This mini heat sealer reseals any plastic bag airtight in one swipe. It keeps your snacks fresh for weeks, has a built-in cutter to open them back up, and the whole thing is smaller than a marker. Chips, coffee, frozen food, cereal, anything that comes in a plastic bag stays perfectly fresh. This is one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you have it. Manual box graters scrape your knuckles and take forever when prepping dinner ingredients. This sturdy suction-based shredder uses interchangeable rotary drums to grate cheese, slice fresh veggies, and crush nuts in seconds. You keep your fingertips completely safe while cutting meal prep time in half during busy weeknights at home. Spilling coffee over your expensive laptop or important paperwork is an absolute nightmare. This heavy-duty clamp attaches securely to the edge of any desk, keeping your drinks completely isolated from your workspace. Enjoy your morning brew or iced water with total peace of mind, knowing your electronics are completely safe. Smudged screens and greasy fingerprints ruin your viewing experience on phones, tablets, and laptops. This all-in-one spray bottle features an integrated microfiber jacket that instantly wipes away oil, dust, and grime without leaving streaks. It fits easily in your pocket, so you can enjoy crystal clear screens everywhere you go daily. Cluttered nightstands and tangled charging cables make bedtime frustrating and messy. This sleek light combines customizable dimmable lighting with an integrated wireless pad to charge your phone while you work or sleep. You get eye-caring illumination for late-night reading while keeping your bedside table completely clean, organized, and wire-free. Forgetting to take meat out of the freezer ruins dinner plans and tempts you to order pricey takeout. This thermal conductive plate safely thaws frozen steaks and chicken up to 8 times faster without electricity or microwave hotspots. Dinner prep stays stress-free, giving you juicy, evenly thawed meals on demand. Tired of rolling up crushed tubes and throwing away expensive paste? This clever bathroom roller squeezes out every single drop effortlessly. Just insert the end, turn the key, and watch it push everything straight to the top with zero mess. You stop wasting money immediately while keeping your vanity counter spotless. Cutting small fruits into tiny quarters for toddlers is tedious and dangerous with sharp knives. This quick press cutter instantly quarters grapes, cherry tomatoes, and fresh berries into safe bite-sized pieces with one simple push. You prepare healthy snacks in seconds while keeping mealtime completely safe for your hungry little ones. Squeezing lemons and oranges by hand leaves seeds in your juice and strains your wrists. This heavy-duty press uses powerful leverage to extract maximum juice from citrus fruits down to the last drop. You get fresh, seedless juice in seconds with minimal physical effort and zero mess on your counter. Hot meals cooling down during family dinners or parties leads to lukewarm, unappetizing food. This flexible silicone heating pad spreads heat evenly across your serving dishes to keep every bite delicious and hot. It rolls up compactly for easy storage, making holiday hosting and daily family dinners entirely stress-free. Uneven baking and sticky batter stuck to your fingers ruin fun baking sessions. This heavy-duty stainless release tool creates perfectly uniform portions of dough, meatballs, and ice cream with a simple squeeze. Your baked goods cook evenly every time, while your hands stay completely clean throughout the entire daily baking process. Spending $6 every morning at crowded coffee shops drains your wallet fast. This powerful motor-driven handheld whip transforms regular milk into rich, velvety foam in just 15 seconds. You enjoy cafe-quality lattes, matcha, and protein shakes right at home while saving hundreds of extra dollars every single month very easily. Disposable air cans freeze up, run out quickly, and waste money over time. This powerful, rechargeable high-speed blower blasts away stubborn dust from mechanical keyboards, camera lenses, and tight crevices effortlessly. You save cash on disposable cans while keeping all your sensitive electronics completely pristine with eco-friendly power every day. Bulky grain bags clutter your pantry and make portioning dinner messy and frustrating. This airtight storage tower dispenses precise amounts directly into a measuring cup with a simple button push. It protects your grains from unwanted moisture and pests while giving your kitchen counter a clean, sleek, modern aesthetic every day. Bending over to sweep up dust piles strains your back, while leftover broom hair makes cleaning feel useless. This upright cleaning set features built-in comb teeth that instantly scrape hair and debris off the bristles straight into the pan. You clean your floors faster without touching dirty bristles or bending down. Peeling piles of potatoes and apples by hand causes hand cramps and wastes half the produce. This hands-free electric device automatically peels entire fruits and vegetables in under 10 seconds at the press of a single button. You get paper-thin peels every time, saving effort, time, and food during daily meal prep.